In a strong display of dissatisfaction, nearly all attendees walked out of the Northeastern Hill University's 113th Academic Council meeting today, voicing concerns over the registrar presiding over discussions traditionally reserved for an exchange among students, faculty and administrators. The protest intensified after Vice-Chancellor Prabha Shankar Shukla reportedly ignored calls to remove the registrar from the session. In response, members of the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union marched to the registrar's office, locking its doors in protest. Union leaders, including representatives from the Khasi Students' Union, Nehu unit, expressed frustration, stating that the registrar lacks the academic insight needed to lead such discussions.
Registrar, move out! 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 Registrar, move out!
Bekani ka singi umta ka singi. Kajisha kalong ba ngi na kalian yung student union hakarangkat ki ni huta berkunjung ki SU ni unit ngi kwa mangin follow baitkum as per rules regulations. Indi halor juga kata kadang bengi update ya kan academic council ka basis sepakat lain. Ni kwa ban penik sengai ki issues ya ki concerns jong ki students hak academic council kum ba jude ka appropriate forum. Tama ka jing musik ka lomba ka academic council ka bal schedule ban pelang menta ka singi ni ba ka administration hi ha ka jing alam jong u BC ba ka jing alam jong registrar kam sunyo kam buram ya ki khna ba kum ju ya ki nuhi kai badi halor jong kata ka bentah ni iba ka academic council ka di menong menta ka singi ka ba ngin niat her ngin nyata ki bon kimat ki bulan kam ya ki university jong ban q ya ka ranking hamtam ka BD ber ka functioning jong ka university administration ya ka taur menta la put on hold ila suspend ditang ka daw ka ba jing singo ha jong VC jong registrar ka jing alam jong ki kilong but very incompetent ro mansuong hamtam yu registrar uni registrar ubangi ngidal menta udi ujuhi registrar ubadi CUE in charge hagapor jong ka CUE ti stamped ka balong haga nihu ada pipikan mau mencim snem ya organize ka CUET exam hagaba uni registrar udi ujuhi ubru ubadi control of examination in charge hakitu gipor kata ro kadika we na ka proof ta ka pin iba uni registrar ulong incompetent ban handle ki academic matters ubri ubatri haga line chipai hotnya sing tu ula bandan ki ulala bandan ki experience ma haga body working experience tamangi di ban page ro kay udan working experience hakano ka banta hato ila asi ubri ubatri haga kampulit unwan directly unshim kat ya ka position jong registrar ka badi totally academics haga ba umla umtip wat ki egi ki an ki edi ki rules ki ordinance ro alpin page ka nehu hi baro shikato ki por ki belalej ka acts ka kini ki regulations ki ordinances ki penlai be ha ka website badi halo jong kata ka bental dagi don kono problem ki kena ki suk kila ban page ki an tamamen ha kane pan kapor bengingi wan men kan registrar ngi ong ban pan kita ki ordinance ki kai wong ba men kan man verification ha verify ka shithi ngi lapat ado ubnai august ha ado ubnai august ngi lapat ka shithi ba response ka bengi na kalang jung udi ong bitang ba ngidang verify kadau ka besisha hekum nga bangi student union ni sinyo kadai ba mau dala de confident halor jong kita ki ordinance ki rules badi halor jong kita ka benta usuka ban thame ngi ban ong makadon ka verification baro shiketo nadu snem arja ar bar ki snem ki balalej ki ordinance ki rules ki regulations baro ki don be ha website badi tam halor ka jingalam ka jong uni vice chancellor bar ha ka jingdon ka jong uni registrar ngi wat ki anru ki long ki bam transparent ha jingalang kum jong ki incompetent nginong mo kini ginong kami kema joko university ki belum incompetent badi hal jong ta ka bentah ngi ka university jong kat ngi ising report kadang ngi har kedan sesho but ngi mbang se mendaga singi hab wan hane ha office jong VC ngi hab ban khang tala ya ka jong registrar kadi ka daw ba appropriate forum kum ka academic council ada ngi myok ban pensingi ka sur gi khna da ngi myok pensingi ka sur jong ki kai ha epat ka ngir nyale kadi hal jong ta ka bentah ngi singo ba kala sulong be anya ngi kala sulong be basule don bohi ka university badi hal jong ta ngi dawa bayu registrar da kum no kumur udehi ban step down badi ban thung di obri bo competent ubodon ek academic experience ubadi nak academic background om tang man supai tang ba udon experience akono kono working henry udi ban de ubri ubodon experience ka bidi ber academics khang ba university jongi hi kanla ban q bat kanla ban poisa ka thong ka ba ka act of parliament ke balap national ke university ban pen grow ya kini ki north east region kham tam ya ka state ke state ke jela ka jongi hi.
The Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association President Professor Lakhon Kumar supported the protest, noting that as non-teaching official, the registrar holds a subordinate position to the university's academic staff and should not be involved in academic affairs.
Ngi mane ngi la elum hang te po multi use convention hall namata ka academic council kumbal akon habalayo ka koram ni iba visi one slam kumbo si one 20 minit tam ya katarung ilaya ya kedokti hari ulang tahun ang nesakman kan slam hari ka ba kam bitar ba marsa sedang ka meeting ki members jungi kila dawa ba uni registrar umde ban shang htai kum ex officio secretary nama utaban tho iki resolution jungi hapo namar ba nilai iba hakini ki benai la sen riu benai nilai iba umlong fit balong registrar kam tam utukla rigi kam hikai hang ne hapo department namar kumu registrar umdon hok bentuklar ka kam hikai jungi hapo department namar ngilati bhiki head department nati bhiki din kumnon penyan hanre ule start utuklar nanong sedong ki kam ki ba mde ka kamram jungi hare utuklar upha sithi ki din upha sithi ki head kumba ki subordinate lane ki officer ki barit jungu hanre ilahong ba kumu registrar umdon hok pan pha sithi ki no hikai namar ngimde ki nong tre barit jongu namar ngi nong hikai ki long tham halor banjo registrar harre ngiu iba halor bangila de kedoy ka jing duna jongu namar kum bangila de penpau hakini ki benai bala de pilai I tarai ba uniu breu umdon kata ka qualification lane ngam umdon qualification lese umlong fit bandan namar umdon experience haka higher education lane kum kini ki university jungi umdon nama wana ka school suthu kumno ka tarekam ka academic council suthu kumno ka tarekam ki wiki bodies ki balang statutory body hanre ngiu I ba ka jingle jongu kapan bitar ngi kum kino hikai ki pen bitar ngi kum ki khat jong ka academic council ba ngi kram island u ba unchong hangtai namangi ong ngila do ka jing kermen la ngila lost confidence hai ba inchong hangtai in record ki ni ka jing shania ngim don show tengila ong ba ngim don ka jing shania te kumno ngin sha yo te bru bon chong hangtai tengila kerpa yo visi ba pha lek no yo bono dei joint registrar ban record ki ni ki minutes jongi hapo ka meeting harre hakata ka jing penslam visi hata ka jing let's say kwa bon ong yo register bon len utur usang bai khop tengi man se ba ngi hap pen habangi pen ukwa bon jubab harre haba jubab ngi yu iba umdan ka akor ka burom umdan ka jing ba haba visi yeng haba ki professor ki yeng haba keren usang man hang tu keren kuma de mo uba hetam hang ni apa ken be kausit ya kata ka pen bitar ba ngi hadu ngi khem ai la chungi ong bai ba nai ngi rai hang tuang tu ba uniu breu ude ban pan map namar umlong fit ban shang hakane ka suki jong registrar ngim de ban ala ju bo un tho iki minutes jongi harai dep ka to kan ne pori bor khaki no hikai kiwan hakata ka sisur bai ba uniu bre umlong ban shang ne lada phim yang yu bhaban cancel no yakane meeting harai wisi tre ban ya kata umban se bangi habang ila khruit ngilai iba bre umdon akar umdon burom ni suya mi be ni ong bhaban nai penlong ikan be kausil tengi mi no nangta harai ngasngo kemen moi ban yo sngo ba hadin kata gi student kila khang ka kamra jong ikila be I namar yongni buri matangila susu kuma vitip kajing thong jong inado kasini kong ila ong kadai ka bapakla namar yu wara kumu controller of examination ula fail hang teh po exam la delay lut narok sedang nama susu kumno kan perekam ka university harai hajaka ban be unang ni udang ai susu ban perlong register hapokan riu ne prabanai kapeni ba kadon kajing ya susu jingmut hapne jong u ba visi baki ya don kata kajing le sop bagi kwa bit ban warayu hapok ka kananja registrar ni uthung sendan ni kom registrar rai usong hakate ka suki umtip ka kamram lojong namar ni kumangila ong umdon ka experience namar umdon PhD umdon ka experience mentre hapoki college umdon experience mentre hapoki university takada suthu kumno ki ordinance ki terekam kumnon penya ka academic council kumno bo deban keren ka eka kamram jongi ngimban se bangia shai ki khana ngi smok men shikade ngi donlang pat kini husu ngi smok men ki bala kila khange ka kamra jogi ngatrai nangne sakmat ngim ailat di ubo un one man office namar yo bisi ru ngila dawa kumjo kini ki DR sangut ru ngatrai ngi student kila batai kijo kini ki DR sangut badang sudep thungru kilong kumjo namar kim tip pin yu ile ka jing thok ka tin phareng bagi thok ka sithi yangi pin surkhe ikum gitu ba pas tangga primary school miti kana namar ba pakla na sura harai kum kita gi bre overra hikini rung yong bhaba pinle no namar kidang don hon probation ngim aila de kita rawi ngathai ngakmen nga sngo ba kila khang ye go ye kamra jong we u deputy registrar ru don kam mangin ong yikini ru phiru kile no namar ba ya phila awra hangne ikum bal ese uvisila ngamtip ke jingyo mentoy namar u klempe ya ka qualification jongki u klempe ya ka kerdan jongki u wele ni gitu tau gupta nado kasngi interview usa haying jong wei u professor hado banda dep ka interview da dep ka executive committee meeting ula yeng lupa hangne ba un sign ka kwat ban join pila ban mudur utre ka office ayu munshwa ba ubriu la yang lupa hang ni balik join mentah-mentah hi kapni ba ubriu lese utrai private sino ka kam ka jam ko mambiang experience mambiang hanrei la sha thung hang ni lese la thong na ka pisang ngimtep namar ngi suba manta ngi suba jur ya ka tangan numbure ngi suba jur ba hakin jing thung kam no hikai ki bala adep hakini jing thang kam joki yong jongunu DR joki ni samut ki DR what you register lese la thong na ka pisang namar dangi pe ka quality dangi pe ka qualification kim long fit uni register ngak so kemen bagi khana gila khang namar la de ka por bangin ong ba pim long fit man sang hate suki namar ka pila penjak burom ya ka suki jong register ngatai la de ka por bakin ya lum nang ni kini song ki tum ki tam jong ki bakin ya lenyo nang ni.
It is with a great sense of responsibility that I'm standing here to articulate, to express the sense of the sense of dismay that Nehuta, as a member of Nehuta, we observed how the academic council was conducted. Let me begin by saying that it was I who first raised the issue that had come into prominence in the last 8 months, 9 months. I'm citing the case of a public perception that has been created, and there has been public outcry about the credibility, about the academic pedigree of the person who is holding the registrar's post. In the last 50 years of Nehu's existence, the post of registrar was always held by people who had academic and administrative excellence. The letter at last count had about 14 grammatical errors. 14. And this is the kind of letter that you do not expect to have emanated from the desk or from the table of a deputy registrar who's looking after academic. After all, we are talking about an institute of higher education. So these are things that do not really bode very well for Nehu in the long run, and something has to be done in order to nip these shortcomings in the bud. Somebody has to be responsible for all this, and I'm told that the students have also expressed their anguish in a much more graphic manner by locking up and barring the doors of the registrar's office. So from the Nehuta, we will sit, we will reflect, we will have a meeting in order to see what would be the best course of action to be taken next.